Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix non-credit card option not showing in Apple ID. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. Without all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm on this reputable website. So the first step is to check unpaid balance and payment method. So you can open the settings app on your iPhone and select the profile, go to iTunes and select and view your purchase history and see if you have any unpaid balance. The second step is to cancel automatically renewable subscriptions. You can do it from your Apple ID by going to subscriptions on your Apple ID profile. The third step is to stop family sharing. So just Google how to disable family sharing, or you can just go to settings, go to your Apple ID, select family sharing and click on your name, and then just hit on stop family sharing. After that, you can try changing your country and region on your iTunes ID, and if all of that doesn't work, you can remove the Apple ID from your iPhone and it should fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, you can just go to iOS App Store and search for Apple Support here, and then just click on Apple Support, download this application and contact Apple Support through this application. Tell them about your issue and they will fix your problem within 24 to 48 hours. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.